Today's layout is all about stacking in the layers with lots of pattern papers and die cuts from the February 2026 hip kits. Hello everyone, my name is Jana.eubank and today I'm playing with the Life Right Now collection, which is exclusively designed by Hip Kit Club and is only available on their website. I'm starting off with the Cardstock kit. Now if you don't know Hip Kit very well, they have a coordinating cardstock kit that goes with all of their collections, and I feel like this is a must-have. You get 2 sheets of 8 colors, and it's always a great way to stretch your kit. On the B side of the solid colors, you have a different pattern every single month. And this month it is a ledger style pattern, which I absolutely love. I love anything to do with office supplies, and it's just a nice general pattern to start off your layouts. So for this page, I'm going to use the Petal ledger side of the Petal cardstock, which is a light lilac pattern, and I'm framing it with the light blue color, which is called Atmosphere. I decided to cut down that layer a little bit smaller and round the 4 corners, and then I'm going to add in some strips along the bottom. I'm also going to add in some layers behind my photos. I did map my photos with that same Atmosphere light blue cardstock, and then I cut down some pattern papers that I thought went well with that color to kind of stack behind my photos. So I've got that pink chevron, and then I had that bright blue or that dark blue small floral pattern. Now the other side of that dark blue pattern is that robin's egg, like that minty blue pattern that has the numbers at the bottom of the page. So I cut a strip of that to go along the bottom. I rounded the bottom 2 corners of that as well. And I'm going to separate those 2 patterns with this gorgeous bright and bold striped pattern paper. And I'm just loving the way that all of these patterns are playing off of one another. Now, if you want an easy way to add a layered feel to your project, you can do this just by adding some paper layers behind your photos. I decided to make a little bit more of a playful feel on today's page by, kind of skewing them slightly from one another as I added each of the different layers. And right now it looks kind of crazy, but as I start tugging in all of these other pieces, it really starts to marry everything together. The next thing I went to were the journaling die cuts. And this month, the die cuts are so cute. There's all kinds of ephemera. There's a frame piece that I'm tucking in there. And so I'm just flipping through a few of these and looking for some interesting shapes. I really loved this frame piece that would be totally cute to add to, as an actual frame around photos or journaling. But today I'm just going to cut it in half and use 2 of these pieces on either side of my photo here. I love the little postage edge stamp that it had. And so I grabbed another piece that had a postage edge stamp, this kind of bluish color one here at the bottom, and I'm tucking that in to repeat that pattern. I also added in some white pieces. There's one that looks kind of like a planner that has, Monday through Friday. That one there is on the left. And then I added one that looked like it has a binder clip with a stamp over on the right that has a place that says details and date and then a number list. And that's where I'm going to add my title and my journaling a little bit later. So I really like how this is looking. I also tucked in a few little ticket pieces there on the bottom right corner of that, of those layered papers, just to bring in some more color and just add some more interest with those different layer bits. And now I'm grabbing some of the floral die cuts. I'm going to sprinkle and tuck these in around the edges of all the journaling die cuts. We have lots of straight edges going, and so I always love when there's florals because that kind of breaks things up, adds an organic feel, and then just brings a touch of playfulness and whimsy. And of course, the beautiful colors in those florals. Now you can see that the first one I picked was that gold one that I placed over on the right hand side. And so to repeat that gold color, I did select another gold flower to go over on the left. And I like the way that that brings your eye across the page. Now I tucked another piece in, a blue colored flower above the gold flower on the right. And so I want to bring some blue into another portion of the page to balance that out. I found this blue flower and I'm just kind of auditioning it around the page. I really like it here at the bottom with the tickets, but I'm not loving how that piece with the vine is kind of getting hidden. And so I decided, you know what, I'm going to cut that piece in half and I'll just make it look like there's 2 blue flowers here. Now, of course, the rule of visual triangles, and I wanted to bring in some more blue later. I don't believe I do this on camera, but I do tuck a single blue flower over on the left-hand side by that gold flower, just so we do have that visual triangle of both the gold flowers and the blue flowers, and you'll see that in the closing shots. Now I'm going over to the stickers and the regular icon type die cuts to look for other things to accent my page with. I decide to add this black tab at the top of my page, or the top of my photos here, and then I'm layering a puffy heart sticker on top of a gold circle die cut just to bring some more color up there to the top of the page. And then I've decided to add this Polaroid camera here in the bottom left corner, and then the circular phrase that says take 100% note of this. And I like all the phrases in this month's kits. It's very general. Of course, the collection is called Life Right Now, and so these phrases go with everything. Like any possible picture you have, you can use these phrases with. So I've also tucked in a little pink ephemera piece up by the tab, and then I'm going to add a couple of phrases underlining that tab. The cream one says, highly recommend this, and then the dark pink one says, doesn't get sweeter. I also added some puffy phrases there on the bottom to repeat that texture. So I had that teal one that says documented, kind of underlining the camera, and then I'll slide in this gold colored one that says snapshots. And I love that little bit of texture that adds. So along with the puffy sticker texture, I'm also going to use the puffy alphabet stickers to spell out my title, which is the town we were visiting, which is called Coopville on Whidbey Island in Washington. We visited this island during the pandemic. It was June 2020 and they had just shut down. We almost canceled this vacation, but we decided to go. We just needed to get out of the house, and the locals were super grateful because they definitely depend on tourists to come every summer. So they were happy we were there. And here we're just eating at a little restaurant. Now I'm just finishing off this title by accenting it with a couple of layered heart stickers. I will add one of the adorable paper clips to the top next to that binder clip, and then a little puffy circle, and that will finish this off. All right, everyone, this is the Life Right Now collection from Hip Kit Club. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you again soon.